Originally I was a little bit interested in share trading. I bought some shares, some went up, some went down, but I felt like I was just throwing darts. And I also wanted to secure an income in retirement or later years. The main driving force is to be able to generate income into the future.
Well, initially I wanted to stop working because it's such a hard gig in the construction industry, and then I thought I could replace my income, which now I can see is definitely a possibility. Yeah.
How? Because you've got basic rules and basic fundamentals that you must follow, and I've found if you don't follow them, you just don't. Things don't work, your psychology's all out of whack, and you panic, you sell before you should, and everything goes wrong. So wealth, yes, wealth within has definitely helped.
Oh, I didn't know. I thought if anyone else is going to make money in the share market, why can't I do it? Yeah. So I didn't want to go in just blind. I wanted to find out a bit about it. But I suppose I landed. I was lucky. I stumbled upon wealth within, and they were good to me.
Because I think they break their own rules, and the fear and greed thing comes into it. When you've got your own money on the market, you tend to panic a little bit more, and it gets back to the psychology and not having a good solid trading plan that you can just forget and relax and put your trades on. You've just got to discipline yourself, and we've been given the basic rules and the grounding and the understanding of what to do. Stick to what the course has taught us, and don't veer off on a little tangent of your own thinking that you're better than the rules or better than the market, because it'll soon smack you back into place.
Just do your own homework. There's no get-rich-quick schemes. I think wealth is good in that area, and the support, Dale and everyone is fantastic. Yeah? But there's no get-rich-quick. You have to put the hard work in, the education, and it's happened for me. So, yeah, and I'm a skeptic. I'm a big skeptic.
I would definitely tell them to get an education and get educated before you even try and trade too much. Perhaps paper trade if you want to, but once you put your money on the market, it's a different scenario. I would say you can't justify not spending the money to educate yourself, because the market will take it off you fairly quickly if you don't have the education. Probably more understanding of people and appreciate people more, that when they've put an effort in and made a real effort to gain their goals. I understand that much more. I've probably learned off my own children that where they had fears, I've stepped up and overcome those fears and been very successful by just adapting themselves and stepping out of their comfort zone. And I think the course has made me step out of my comfort zone. It's also made me step back when I've been negative about things and say, hey, you don't have to be this, it pulls you down, just there's another way of doing it. It doesn't matter whether it's with the physical work or trading or what.
I consider Lee and Dale as my friends more, and mentors, and I've been on a pretty hard journey the last couple of years, and they've been great. So thank you. Thanks to the team.
I'd say congratulations for putting your time and effort out there, because you probably don't really have to do it. You're successful traders in your own right, and I'd say really well done.